Hi friends, I am Narenthar of Standard 12 from Saitechinfo going to explain about the metallurgy in metric syllabus. I hope you will understand this topic by watching video. Before going to this video, please subscribe to Saitechinfo channel for getting better educational videos. If you like this video, please raise the thumbs up button. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, let us discuss about the concept map. Metallurgy, minerals, ores, followed by concentration of ores. Concentration of ore are of four types: gravity separation, froth flotation, magnetic separation, and leaching. Then extraction of crude metal, conservation of ores into oxides. The conservation of ores into oxides are of two types: roasting and calcination, followed by reduction of metal oxides are of three types: smelting, reduction by carbon or hydrogen or metal, and then auto reduction. Next, refining process. They are of four types: distillation, liquefaction, zone refining, vapor phase. Then principles of metallurgy. Thermodynamic principle comes under Illingham principle. Then electrochemical principle. Okay friends, let us discuss about the important MCQ questions in metallurgy. First, flux is a substance which is used to convert option A mineral, option B infusible impurities to soluble impurities, C all of these. Second, which one of the following ores is best concentrated by froth flotation method? Option A galena, option B magnetite, option C hematite. Third, wolframite ore is separated from a thin stone by the process of option A smelting, option B roasting, option C electromagnetic separation. Fourth, considering Allengram diagram, which of the following metals used to reduce alumina? Option A iron, option B magnesium, option C copper. Fifth, zinc is obtained by ZnO by option A carbon reduction, option B acid leaching, option C reduction using silver. Sixth, the incorrect statement among the following is dash. Option A, in the metallurgy of gold, the metal is leached in with dilute sodium chloride. Option B, nickel is refined by Mons process. Option C, titanium is refined by Van Arclay process. 7. Which of the following is used for concentrating ore in metallurgy? Dash. Option A, leaching. Option B, froth flotation. Option C, both A and B. 8. Which of the following plot gives a Lagrange diagram? Option A, del S versus Vt. Option B, del G versus T. Option C, del G versus 1 by T. 9th, which of the metals is extracted by Hall-Héroult process? Option A, aluminium. Option B, nickel. Option C, copper. Okay, let us discuss about the true or false. Zinc oxide is used in the manufacture of many products like paints, etc. State whether the statement is true or false. Second, electrolysis is carried out in an iron tank lined with carbon act as cathode. State whether this statement is true or false. Distillation method is employed for low boiling volatile metals. State whether the statement is true or false. The rods of impure metal are used as cathode. State whether this statement is true or false. Electrogram diagram is used to predict thermodynamic principle. State whether the statement is true or false. Roasting is the method usually applied for the conversion of bauxite ores. State whether the statement is true or false. Okay, let us discuss about the fill in the blanks based on this topic. A natural occurring substance obtained by mining which contains the metal in free state is called as dash. Minerals that contains a high percentage of metals from which it can be extracted conventionally and economically are called dash. Third, dash is the process in which the concentrated ore is strongly heated in the absence of air. Fourth, dash also removes impurities such as arsenic, sulfur by converting them into volatile oxides. Fifth, dash is used to predict thermodynamic feasibility of reduction of oxides of one method by another method. Sixth, the ores are associated with non-metallic impurities, rocky materials which are collectively known as dash. Seventh, the preliminary step in metallurgy process is removal of these impurities. This removal is known as dash. Based on this topic, I have prepared a puzzle, and based on that puzzle, I have created 6 questions based on it. I hope you can answer the questions and solving the puzzle. Please try it. Okay friends, let me display the answers, and please check that you have written the correct answer. If it is wrong, please watch the video again and clarify your doubts. Okay, let us discuss about the amazing fact about metallurgy. Metallurgy relates to science and technology of metals. The extraction of pure metals from their natural sources is linked to the history of human civilization. Ancient people used the available materials in their environment, which includes fire and metals, and they were limited to the metals available on the earth's surface. In the modern world, we use a wide range of metals in our daily life. The result of development of metallurgy knowledge over thousands of years. I hope you have understood this topic. If you like this video, please raise the thumbs up button. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you friends.